Hi everyone, this is Maylene. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. My videos for today, guys, is a quick tutorial on how to blur faces and personal information in the videos, like email address, password, or any personal information that you don't want to show on public. Okay guys, so before we start, just download this application called KineMaster, and if you have already, then let's get started. For example, this is my videos that I want to hide my personal information and also my face. So I'll show you how to blur faces and personal information. So just click this layer first, click effect, basic effect, and then you have two choices, Gaussian blur and mosaic. So I choose the Gaussian blur, and then move this square and place where is your personal information that you want to blur and don't want to show in public. For example, that is my personal information. So then, as you can see, still have those letters showing up. So just go to setting and then put this blur strength to number 4 and go back. Try to play the video. So that's it. So guys, if your videos showing your personal information from the beginning and at the end of your videos, you just need to move this from there to here and blurring your face, the same kind of process. Just go to layer and then effect, basic effect, Gaussian blur, and then move this square to cover your face. Go to setting, put blurring strength, okay, and that's it. You can play this right now. Guys, so I hope this helped, and thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next videos. Bye.